And the next step is dressing the surface of the finishing stone with a dressing stone. I'm using a Nagura dressing stone. They're actually quite popular. But anyways, the main purpose of this step is to generate some slurry on the surface. As you can see, some slurry is gradually being generated. This slurry will play an important role in removing the scratches and the burrs. Okay. Right. Now what I will do is polish the back side of the blade on the slurry. You're going to want to move the blade back and forth just like with the diamond stone, but you don't need to apply much pressure. Just kindly slide the blade on the slurry. Okay, let's have a look.